safety are very important to us. Recent scientific research support that anti-transmission of COVID is very low or virtually non-existent. For everyone's peace of mind, please keep your face mask on for the entire duration of the flight and do not touch your eyes, nose, and mouth at any time. Guests requiring assistance may press the attendant call button. Thank you and have a fun flight today.
Features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt to fasten cushions together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling the end, then fasten lift up of buckle and pull feet and release. In case of a water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, fit vest over the head, take tape around the waist and push ends to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull station tags and inflate the fast. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tube. Blow to increase air and push fins and ward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that an authorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you. Remove your face mask and put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Please straighten up your seats. Make sure seatbelts are securely fastened, window shades open, and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling emitting devices is also prohibited by the Philippines Civil Aviation Regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by a lithium battery or charger. These safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance with existing regulations and to provide security and a pleasant experience in flight. Your safety and comfort are our priority.
We wish everyone an enjoyable flight. Once again, we wish everyone an enjoyable flight. Once again,
This is 55J951 bound for Davao. Welcome aboard.